Dalaga na talaga si Luna. Oh, may sarili na siyang bag. Come on. Whoop! We're walking to... We walk to the town. Bumili lang ng konti. We walk there guys kasi kukunin sana namin yung prescription niya. Pero wala. Bukas pa daw ang dating. We in the park. Oy! Luna! Pick that up! Kasi yung bahay namin yun. Sa likod lang. Sa likod lang ng bahay na yan. Hold her hands, yeah? No. May dalaga na me. Sorry. Luna, in this side, because someone walking in this side.
Very much.
Ay, lakad siya. Ang ganda ng puno. Oh. Ganda ng lugar namin. Tapos yung bahay na yan, guys. Yan. Sa likod niyan. Yun yung bahay ko. Yung brown. Diba? Ayan, isang bahay. Tapos may puti. Yung brown doon. What? You like the bird? You see any bird? Huh? She's looking for a bird. And a squirrel.
It's clear.
Where's the squirrel? I see one over there. We'll find the squirrel. I see one over there.
Yeah.
There, squirrel.
It's clear, Bob.
Squirrel, where are you?
There, Boo. Squirrel,
Squirrel, where are you?